I found this channel and it's totally amazing. With just 52 videos, the creator already crossed 50K plus subscribers and is reportedly making over $11,000 per month. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. What strategy did he use? How did he grow so fast in such a competitive space? The craziest part is that he's mainly using simple AI tricks and free tools that almost anyone can access. No expensive setup, no huge investment, no need to upgrade accounts or buy costly software. This proves that in 2026, creativity and smart strategy matter more than money. The creator understood the algorithm, used viral storytelling, emotional hooks, AI-generated content, and consistency to build an audience incredibly fast. Most people think you need a big team, expensive editors, or thousands of dollars to start a successful channel. But this channel completely destroys that myth. The level of growth is insane, only 52 videos. 50K plus subscribers, thousands of dollars every month. Fully AI-powered workflow, faceless content, viral storytelling strategy. This honestly shows how powerful AI content creation has become. Now first, I generated a master prompt for AI, and honestly, this prompt is totally insane. It keeps the exact same character consistency in every scene, and all you have to do is simply copy and paste the prompt. But wait, the shocking part is still coming. When I pasted the prompt, I was completely blown away because it generated everything automatically in one go. Full emotional story, voiceover script, AI image prompts, cinematic video prompts, character consistency, thumbnail prompt, YouTube title, SEO description, tags, background music ideas, sound effects, scene-by-scene directions. Literally everything was ready instantly. This is not just a normal AI prompt. This feels like a complete automated YouTube production system. The creator engineered the prompt in such a smart way that the AI behaves like an entire content creation team. The craziest thing is that the character stays exactly the same in every scene. Same clothes, same face, same emotions, same animation style, same colors, perfectly consistent like a real animated movie. And the storytelling quality is next level. The AI creates emotional hooks, sad moments, motivational scenes, cinematic camera angles, and even viral thumbnail ideas automatically. No editing team, no expensive software, no professional studio, just one powerful AI prompt. This is why these AI animation channels are exploding right now. Now let's come to the website. The website name is Digen AI, and the reason I use this website is because it's totally free. Some people might think I'm joking, but no man, I'm serious. Just watch this video till the end because I'll guide you step by step on how to use this website completely free. This platform has many powerful AI tools like Seedream, Nano Banana, AI image generators, AI video tools, story and voiceover generators, and many more. You can create full AI stories, cinematic videos, thumbnails, voiceovers, image prompts, and even consistent characters all in one place. Most people are spending hundreds of dollars on expensive tools, while this website already provides amazing features for free. So don't skip this video because I'll show you how smart creators are using these AI tools to grow fast and make money with viral content. Now first, come into the login section. Here, you don't even need your personal Gmail account. Just open any temporary email website, copy any random email, and come back to the sign-up option. Paste the email there. It will ask for an OPP verification code. Simply go back to the temp email inbox, copy the OPP code, paste it here, and done, your free credit plan is activated. You also receive daily free credits, and when you first sign up, you get around 280 credits, which is honestly enough to generate many AI images and videos. Now first, let's start with images. Click on the image section and generate your images from here. There are many AI models available, but honestly, Flux and Image Motion are the most interesting ones. Just copy any prompt and paste it here. The result quality, generation speed, lighting, background, and character consistency are absolutely amazing. According to the prompt, the character gets generated perfectly, the background looks cinematic, and the lighting feels like a professional animated movie scene. Honestly, everything looks very polished and high quality. And the best thing is, you don't even need Nano Banana or any other expensive tool, because this platform is already giving amazing results completely free. It only takes a small amount of credits, not too much, and you can generate incredible cinematic images easily. I tested this tool many times with different prompts and different styles, and every single time the results were totally awesome. The character consistency is especially insane. Most AI tools struggle to keep the same character face, clothes, and style, but this tool handles it surprisingly well. There are also many other tools available inside the platform like Nano Banana and more, but honestly, this tool gives much better consistency for cinematic storytelling and animated characters. You also get daily free credits, which are honestly enough to generate a huge number of images regularly, so don't worry too much about the image generation part. Everything you need for AI content creation is basically available in one place. Now we successfully completed the image part, but now it's time to create the real magic. Yes, the magic of AI video generation. Most people think creating high-quality AI videos like VO3 for free is impossible, right? But don't worry, man, this tool makes it super easy. Just come to the main page and first select the image that you want to turn into a video. Upload the image, then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT. Make sure you copy the video prompt, not the image prompt, because the AI generates the motion, camera movement, and animation according to the video instructions. Now simply paste the prompt. You don't need to change complicated settings or do anything technical. Just click on Generate. There are many video models available, but honestly, I recommend selecting the first one, Turbo 3.1. This model is absolutely insane because it can generate video, audio, visual effects, background music, cinematic motion, atmosphere, all together automatically. And the craziest part? It doesn't even take much time. It only takes around 1 minute to generate the full video with audio included. Just look at the generation time, only 1 minute. After that, check the result. Oh my God, the quality looks amazing. The motion feels smooth, the background music matches perfectly, the cinematic camera movement looks professional, and everything feels like a real animated movie scene. I tried another one again. I uploaded another image, pasted another video prompt, and once again, the result looked awesome. The animation, quality, transitions, sound, and cinematic feel were all super smooth. You can even check my credits. I generated many images and videos, but surprisingly, it didn't consume too many credits. It only takes a small amount of credits while giving extremely high-quality results. I tested this tool many times, and honestly, every single time I was happy with the output. So if you want to create viral AI videos, cinematic animations, emotional storytelling content, or faceless YouTube videos, then you should definitely try this tool. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your amazing support and your valuable time.